The front apron of the BMW M Concept New Class adopts a trimaran style bumper, inspired by the form of high-speed sailing boats. The three-part design underlines the vehicle's technical appearance. It also provides structural support for the front splitter, an aerodynamic element at the lower edge of the front end. Another new lighting accent for future BMW M automobiles are the three-dimensional track lights located in the outer sections of the front apron. Track lights and trimaran design also shape the rear apron of the BMW M Concept New Class. The track lights frame the trimaran element above the floating diffuser. A striking ducktail spoiler improves aerodynamics, increases downforce at the rear axle, and at the same time sets a striking accent within the clean surface design of the rear end. Natural fiber elements are used in both the exterior and interior of the BMW M Concept New Class, for example in the front splitter, the bonnet air outlet and the diffuser. For the first time, natural fiber is not only used in its pure form but also in a refined finish with M branding in the roof graphic. The interior of the BMW M Concept New Class is reduced and consistently geared towards the driving experience in a next-generation all-electric BMW M. For newly developed bucket seats provide secure support even in highly dynamic driving situations and integrate structural elements made from natural fiber materials. The seat upholstery in Bathurst blue and berry red picks up the BMW M colors in a two-tone merino leather finish. Red 5-point belts emphasize the sporty character